Welcome back to Hodgepodge. Today we are repairing my smartphone. I got it good, big time. It is cracked to the max. I believe that this windshield repair kit will work just fine. Sold by Rain-X for 10 or 20 bucks. It can be found on Amazon or Walmart. I'll leave a link in the description. So we're gonna open this up, put it on there, let it cure in the sun, and we'll see what it does. It's been maybe a minute or so. The resin already seems like it's getting hard. I wish I used the pressure device on that one crack a little more. Doesn't look like it fully penetrated and infiltrated those cracks. Alright, so still there, but it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna try this out. Bit of it pulled up right there. Boy, it's a thick coat we put on here. It's pulling off. All right. Well, we'll see what that did. I'll scrape her up. Okay, here you can see the uneven surface that it left. It kind of looks like poured glass in a way, sheet glass. But get a nice side angle here. Got this razor. It says to hold at a 90 degree. I don't know how that would work, but seems to me like it'd have to be at more than a 90 to work. Okay, so it does look like it filled in some divots on this top portion. Are the cracks completely gone? No, not completely gone. If anything, it's a little more cloudy now, maybe a little less clear, but I have less of a chance of stabbing my hand, hurting my hand on the busted glass. It feels fairly smooth. Yeah, it feels smooth. Okay, so you can see on this bottom crack there's a bit of variation on the thickness of the fill there. That's a good angle. So that barely shows up. I don't know if it's enough for me to want to get a new phone, but at least now I know every time I hit the home button I'm not gonna get a glass sliver in my thumb. But overall, fairly effective technique. I think it was only 20 bucks at most, an hour worth of my time, and I've extended the life of my phone. I wish I used the suction cup intrusion device a little more. Might have gotten more into the cracks, but overall fairly satisfied. If you are not interested in replacing your phone right away, check into the Rain-X glass window shield repair kit. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to leave a like, check out my other videos, and subscribe.